Last set of silhouettes with screwdrivers for the day. Today I'm trying out a new pattern, top center and then coming down the left hand side. Now if the first set's gonna be horrible, I might do a second set, so it might be last set plus one. Right. Well, it's a complete miss of this was the best. As well, not their last set, eh? Ah. It's not too bad. Completely missed the top two. That was completely missed, but that's right in nicely in the middle. That's an edge cut. It's good. So is that one. So it's not a bad start, but still work in progress. Thanks for watching.